If you ever hear a sound like a broken squeaky toy or a laser gun, don't worry. It's just a guinea pig expressing its opinion. This signature squeal is called wheeking, and it's a language they use almost exclusively to communicate with humans. It usually means one thing: I'm hungry. Where are my veggies? Their food radar is so sensitive they can recognize the sound of a refrigerator opening or a plastic bag crinkling and will immediately sound the alarm. And when they're truly happy and excited, they perform a special move called popcorning, leaping straight into the air without warning to express their joy. So this little potato that wheeks and popcorns can also be a gentle little guy that purrs, just like a cat.